Hello friends, very good morning.
Good morning.
So do you want to draw this one?
Yes.
So see, at first we can divide the page into four equal pieces.
Okay.
See, see the house. Here we have done two houses and then it's better at first we can divide the page. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Do you know why we'll use this method?
No.
See, box 1, box 2, box 3 and box 4. Box 1 we have to start the plum tree and
It is not plum tree, it is coconut tree.
not coconut tree, it's plum tree. And see from where we should start the figures. If we divide the lines, then we can find out the particular place. Okay.
Hmm.
Is this tough?
No.
So you have to draw this one, okay?
Okay.
Have you seen this type of village scenery?
Yes.
Where?
In the phone.
In the phone.
Hmm.
Naturally. Naturally, have you seen any village?
Yes.
Okay. And have you seen this type of village?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like this type of village?
Yes.
Why do you like this type of village? Why? Tell me. Because? Yes, tell me.
I don't know.
You don't know. Tell me, tell me.
I don't know.
Okay. See, here we are learning only drawing. But when you draw this one, you can try only pencil. Here I am using sketch pen. After completing the pencil drawing, you can use sketch pen. Okay.
Okay.
So, do you like this video?
Yes.
So, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.